Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to restrict an account on Instagram, so pretty much limiting their interactions with you. So if that is something you want to know how to do, stick around for the rest of the video. So first things first, of course, you need to launch Instagram. Then you'd be required to go to your profile. So once you're on your profile, you then need to click on the menu icon that is in the top right hand corner and simply select settings and then privacy. So once you're within the privacy settings, you need to scroll down until you see restricted accounts and tap on it. So it says they won't be notified that you restrict them, and only you and the person you restrict will see the new and old comments on your post, and they won't be able to see when you're online or when you've read their messages. So you simply need to tap on continue and search for the person that you want to restrict. And you can do this for as many persons as you want. So once you find the person you want to restrict, you'd simply tap on restrict and the account will be restricted and all their interactions with you will be restricted as well. So you simply need to tap on unrestrict if you wanted to unrestrict the person. So that's pretty much how you'd go about restricting an account on Instagram and limiting their interactions with you. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.